Now on to section 3. The difference between section 3 and section 2 is that there is a number other than 1 in the numerator. Right? So what are we going to be using? We're going to be using the definition of a to the m over n. One thing I want to point out is technically even if m is 1, we're still using the a to the m over n. What do I mean by that? So a to the m over n, we know that this is equal to the nth root of a to the m. But what if m is equal to 1? So then we have a to the 1 over n is equal to the nth root of a to the first. But a to the first, anything to the first power is itself. So this is still the nth root of a. Right, so as long as you know the definition of a to the m over n, you are golden. So now, let's continue. Let's do the example. So in the example, it's asking us to simplify 32 to the 2/5. Simplify, evaluate, same thing. Right? So before we continue, I'm going to rewrite this. So 32 to the 2/5, this is equal to the 5th root of 32 squared. Right? So now before I continue, normally what we do is we evaluate on the inside, but I don't know about you, but for me, 32 squared, I don't know that on the top of my head, and I definitely do not want to solve that. So what am I going to do? I'm actually going to rewrite this, and I'm allowed to if you look at this definition. I'm going to rewrite this as the 5th root of 32 squared, because finding the 5th root of 32 is going to be a lot easier than finding 32 squared. So what is the 5th root of 32? I'm going to see what number to the 5th power is equal to 32. Right? In this case, you'll see that it's going to be 2 to the 5th. This is equal to 32. So the 5th root of 32, what is it? It is 2. Okay. So now we want to find 2 squared. And what is 2 squared? It is 4. So 32 to the 2/5 power, that is equal to 4.